This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your card actually includes lounge access and which network it uses. Once done, enroll or activate the benefit in the issuer app so you have a digital pass ready. Make sure you understand guest rules, time limits, and any per-visit dollar fees, because those determine who enters and when. Take a quick screenshot of your membership screen and save the issuer contact info. Doing that now avoids fumbling at the lounge entrance. At the airport, go straight to the lounge entrance with your physical card, boarding pass, and photo ID in hand. Open the digital membership or issuer app to the active access screen so the agent can verify quickly. If your card uses Priority Pass or a similar network, display that screen. If it's issuer branded, show the card and app confirmation. Make sure to confirm lounge hours and guest or age limits before you settle in, because policies vary and staff enforce them. Once inside, use amenities responsibly. Observe time limits, avoid blocking outlets, and follow food or alcohol rules so the benefit stays available. If you need a shower, re-entry, or have a large party, ask staff up front to avoid surprises. If staff deny access, stay calm and show your proof of eligibility. If that fails, call the issuer's lounge support number while still at the desk and save any receipts or screenshots. That escalation path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.